Hello guys, good morning. This is Naren here. Again, this is my regular practice to do trading on expiry day, and where I take the advantage of the expiry day trading. And before I have posted the couple of videos, the same strategy I'm using from last 3 months. This time with the investment amount of 2.5 lakhs, I have earned an amount of 7,500 rupees, and I will show you how I earned the amount of 7,500 rupees. Just let us show you how much amount I earned, and you guys can see here book profit and loss is around 7,380 rupees. Okay, and these all I am doing trading on expiry day trading. All only just I do on the index options, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can see all details over here. This is a simple strategy. I'll show you in a simple manner. These I sold Bank Nifty 20,500 April. I sold at 10 rupees, 3 quantities per lot 20, and buy quantities 0.25. Just you can see here, sell is 10 rupees, buy is 0.25. Same strategy I have used for all details, and 20,600 same, where the rate will be less than 20,500. As the call price increases, you'll be on the safe side, profit will be less. The more safe side, the profit is less. The more risky profit. It depends upon the market momentum. Okay, let us see this one here. Average sell is 5.57, average buy rate is 0.15, and same with Nifty put call, average sell rate is 2.92, and average buy rate is 0.40. Same everything over here. Sell rate 3.25, buy rate 0.70. So what else I am doing? How else I am making the profit from last 3 months? I'll show you. Okay, let us show you the simple way better. This is the Nifty, and this is the IIFL, Indian Infoline Trading. But today I have not done trading in IIFL. I have done trading in the 5 paisa. But I have used, this is the 23rd April, where I sold all these options, and below options I sold around these options. I sold all these options I used to sell at 11:30 a.m. and I used to buy these options at 3:15 before the market closes. Same with the Bank Nifty. I'll show you Bank Nifty. Okay, expiry. Okay, sorry guys, I can't show you the Bank Nifty because I can't show you the expiry over here. Okay, let us try in the NSE website. Okay, I'm going to the NSE website, and let us go to the derivative side. So the date is 23rd April, and let us go for Bank Nifty. Okay, you see Bank Nifty, all these prices are lying around 0.10, 10 paisa, 20 paisa, 10 paisa, and as I have told you, I have sold from this 20,600 as I have shown you this all calls, and see the price over this. So at 11:30, as per the market movement, you sell the lots at below and above. Out of the money, 300 points, 400 points of Bank Nifty, Nifty at 200 points far away. Okay, and with the just you can see the right price over here where I sold. These all prices have dropped to 0 paisa. These all lots I sold at 11:30 I sold, and I bought back at 3:15. Okay, thank you. Same way you can make the profit every week. Just I am showing my profit over here. Today book profit is 7.38, And let us go to funds statement. And in the statement, total profit I made from yesterday with the 5,600 plus 336 rupees. This is the margin. I don't know how I got that money amount. And other profit is 2,500. The date is 23. These two dates I had traded, 22nd and 23rd, with the positioner, where I earned around the amount of 2.5k. This is very simple strategy, guys. Just follow this strategy. You will also make profit, sure.